Hey everybody, it's Lori with Team Cashis. I'm here today at 6719 45th Terrace East, our newest listing coming on the market in a few days. As soon as you walk in the door, you've got a bedroom and a full bath up front. So this is a 3-bedroom, 3-bath, 2,200 square foot home. You have a living room, dining room sort of combo, but you could use this area like in all different ways. I've seen people using this as like as a full-on dining room or a full-on living room, either way. You've got another space over here, guest bedroom number 3, along with another full bath and your laundry room here. You have your great room area here towards the back. Again, 2,200 square feet. We are in the neighborhood of Crossing Creek. The kitchen is updated stainless steel appliance package, 42-inch upper wood cabinets, granite countertops, and a really nice, pretty big actually eating area here in the kitchen as well. So lots of windows everywhere. This is a corner lot, which is super pretty. You have the master over here. You have a pavered lanai area that is partially fenced back here. You could fully fence it if you want. The driveway is pavered. The tile roof is original, but it's in really good shape. And the home was built in 2008, so it's 15 years old. It is coming on the market at $524,900. Again, we're in Crossing Creek, just off of State Road 70. Super low fees. If you have any interest, give us a call.